Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is all about how do you know if sun is good or bad in your horoscope. So let me tell you, sun gets exalted in Aries zodiac sign and sun gets debilitated in Libra zodiac sign. When sun goes in Aries zodiac sign, it is considered as is exalted. Exalted as in, like as I mentioned to you, the sun starts showing its blessings, and also the results were multiplied or doubled. All right. And sun represents soul, sun represents father, sun represents son, sun represents government, sun represents politics, sun represents success, sun represents development, sun represents growth, sun represents name and fame, and sun represents brightness, sun represents heat. All right. So all these factors are significators of planet sun. If at all you have strong sun in your horoscope, sun becomes stronger in the Leo zodiac sign as well as Cancer zodiac sign. Sun becomes positive in Sagittarius as well as Pisces zodiac sign, and even in Scorpio sun becomes strong. Why? Because Sun goes well with Jupiter as well as Mars as well as Sun of sorry Moon of all these planets. Sun becomes friendly. So when Sun goes into these zodiacs and which have the lordship of Jupiter as well as Mars as well as your Moon, during this point of time, Sun becomes positive. What are the significators I have told you right now? Soul, Father, Sun, government, politics, success, development, name and fame, brightness, all these are significators. And you can see expansion, you can see development, you can see success, you can see growth in all these factors. All right. And also your relationship with your father will be too good, and father will be acting as a great role model or a financial support for this person, right? And when sun becomes debilitated, obviously the relationship with father will not be that great, and also sun represents even the sun. The relationship will not be that great even with the sun. So sun represents government politics, right? So when sun becomes debilitated, you will not be getting a lot of favors through government, and also things might get into a lot of obstacles and challenges even with the litigation. So there won't be much of government support to you to hold to talk towards from your side. All right. You will lack support during this point of time. Sun represents politics. So if at all you get into politics and if sun is debilitated, obviously you will not be successful in terms of politics. And sun represents in the success. So you have to put a lot of effort, and you need to do tremendous hard work if sun goes debilitated. If sun becomes negative, your efforts will not be converted into recognition and rewards. So placement of sun is very important even for the government job or even for the private job or even for the business expansion, the development. Sun placement is very important. And people who have strong sun, and most importantly, if at all Jupiter is in conjunct with sun in any of the zodiac sign in your birth chart, especially 10th house, 5th house and ninth house, these people will take up the father's business. They'll be doing the family business. They'll be working along with their father to support him in terms of his business activities. So all these things generally happens if sun goes good as well as versus sun goes bad in the horoscope. All right. All these are all primary significators of planet sun, if it goes into a good state or versus sun goes into the bad state. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if at all you need my astrological consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for an astrological consultation. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. All right, and I'll see you in the consultation. Bye for now.